Hi. So to access the Fairfax County shared computer science folder, you want to go to Google Chrome. You can click the waffle dots here, select Drive. I was already logged in, so I can see there my Fairfax County. You want to make sure you are logged in with your Fairfax County account when you go to your Google Drive. If you're not, you can usually click down and you can change your account if you have a private account. Once you're on your Google Drive, you want to go to shared drives. You can either click it here and you'll see all the shared drives, or you can click the angle and see any shared drives you're connected to. We want to go to FCPS Computer Science. If you do not see this, then you need to be added to the group. Once you are added to the group, you are free to copy and edit any materials here. So if you want to make a new folder with materials to share with other people, this can be a sharing place between schools. There's already quite a few resources here. If you are not seeing access to this, then you can shoot me an email at edanderson@fcps.edu and I will attach you to the group. All right. Happy coding.